Hello folks, so I'm going to show you how to clear this low power and this puff of smoke with an exclamation mark inside of it. And also the check engine light is on. I'm going to start the truck and show you. But as you can see, the check engine light is on, the smoke light is on, and the low power. Now these lights are on because there was a problem in the SCR system. The SCR pump was not working, and once the pump is not working, or the level, any problems you have in the SCR and you drive the truck long enough, you're going to get this, and you would not be able to clear it normally with just clearing check engine light. You have to, there's a special procedure. There's a special procedure to clear that. So what you do, you go into diagnosis. This is the cab over 300 series. So you click 300 series, North America, and you go into engine. Click readout. And once you're in the diagnostic system, you see we have malfunction of urea SCR system. You click up here on the J08, and that will bring up the system information. You go on data monitor, active tests, and you go to active test settings. Now you're gonna scroll down. It's almost all the way down to the bottom, and you're gonna look for urea SCR related memory. You're gonna highlight that, and then you're gonna say select, and over here it's gonna say reset. Now you click the reset, select, press select, and it come up there, and it's gonna say start. You click start, stop the engine, then the state of the on key switch. So basically it's telling you to engine off, key on. You click OK. That's it. It's reset now. So you come out, you say stop, and then you go back. And that's it. Now all your lights are off. Now if you still have a problem, if you did not fix the problem, this is not going to solve your issue. You have to fix the problem. Usually you would get that flashing light when the driver run for a long time with the check engine light on, or if somebody keep resetting the check engine light, that's like a protection mode to protect the SCR. The code we had previously for the SCR system was a low pump pressure, and the pump is here behind the tank unit. So you have to take this out. There's 4 bolts that hold the tank unit up, and you just take it out and you shift it, and it's bolted onto the back of this bracket behind here. So like I said, I already replaced that. It's pretty simple. It's 5 hoses going to it. You just clamp off the coolant line so you don't lose coolant, and you can replace the DEF pump. This DEF pump, you can activate it also with the program to test to see if it's building pressure. I'll probably make another video of that later on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Leave questions. You can ask questions. I'll try to answer you if I can. Alright folks, take care.